She's so cute and so fat too. She really loves that kitten.
She's fat to roll over.
Yeah. Come on. Kitty. Cat crack. she can't roll over.
Too fat to roll over. But
Yeah.
she's still trying. She's trying to get. Almost.
So cute. Oh.
She almost got it.
Almost. But she can't. So fat, but so cute. She's chubby, not fat. That's what it is. Cat crack. She's like paranoid.
She's in a muscle spasm.
I can zoom out a little bit so I can show her whole
She tries to roll all of her toes spread out. Oh, she did it!
Yeah, she did it. She did it.
All right.
First time in years.
Uh-oh. Oh, I can rub it all off
We
of
should
her.
get her more catnip so she exercises. Because
Yeah, right. She needs it.
She needs to roll over. She's so cute.
you know,
Yeah.
I have to show the whole thing and
Yeah.
cut out pieces. Look at her eyes, dude.
Yeah.
Her eyes, they're like more pupils. More pupils than Iris.
Yeah.
Exactly. So spazzy. Look at her.
Come on, try to
I've never
roll.
seen a cat creep on the floor like that. She's creeping.
Creeper, no creeping.
Like that? I've never-
Oh yeah, because he would hunt humans.
Come on.
She is cute.
She's so cute.
She can't stay still. She's so still.